Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Luther Aziz School Jhansi. Today we are taking one of the most important module of chapter 3 of class 12th economics, that is aggregates related to national income. In my earlier class I have discussed about citizen, resident, domestic income. Now I will discuss on these 8 concepts which are aggregates related to national income. First, GDP at MP, NDP at MP, GNP at MP, NNP at MP, GDP at FC, NDP at FC, GNP at FC, NNP at FC. So first, I would like to tell you that MP means market price, which include all the taxes, whereas FC means factor cost, means goods which are lying in the factory premises. The tax are not included in that. So firstly, what do you mean by the term GDP at? So students, one of the basic topic is GDP at MP. GDP at MP is the market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country. Second, NDP at MP. Net domestic product and market price is the market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting period. It is exclusive of depreciation. Third, GNP at MP. It is the sum total of gross domestic product and market price and net factor income from abroad. Fourth, NNP at MP. It is the sum total of net domestic product and market price and net factor income from abroad. Fifth, GDP at FC. GDP at FC is the sum total of factor cost incurred on the production of final goods and services within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year inclusive of depreciation. Sixth, NDP at FC. It is the sum total of factor costs incurred on the production of final goods and services with the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. Seventh, GNP at FC. It is the sum total of gross domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. Eighth and last, that is national income. National income is the sum total of net domestic product at factor cost and net factor income from abroad. So, as I have discussed all 8 aggregates related to national income, now we will write formulas to calculate each one of them. So, how you will calculate NDP at MP? For NDP at MP, you have to write GDP at MP minus DEP. When you minus DEP from gross, you get net. So, by subtracting depreciation from GDP at MP, you get NDP at MP. Now, in case of GNP at MP, you simply write GDP at MP. So, you have to convert domestic into national. So, you simply add NIFIA, net factor income earned from abroad. When you add net factor income earned from domestic, you get GNP at MP. Now, NNP at MP. In this, you have to GDP at MP minus DEP and plus NIFIA. By subtracting DEP, we get net, and by adding NIFIA, we get national. Now GDP at FC, in this you have to simply write GDP at MP minus NIT. NIT means net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means indirect tax and subsidies. Now for NDP at FC, you simply write GDP at MP minus NIT minus DEP. By minusing NIT, you get factor cost, and by minusing depreciation, you get domestic. No, net. So GDP at MP, and you have to get, so you have to minus NIT and you have to add NIFIA. So you last is NNP at FC, that is national income. For this GDP at MP, you have to minus NIT, then you get FC. You have to add NIFIA, so that domestic can be converted into national, and you have to minus DEP. So students, these are the 8 aggregates which are related to national income. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.